What's up, guys? This is Yao here, and I am pleased to welcome you back to another lesson right here on LearnAkan.com. Coming right up. Hello again. If this is your first time here, you are welcome to the official YouTube channel of LearnAkan.com. This is a channel dedicated to helping you to read, write, and speak the Akan language of Ghana. Please consider subscribing, and if you find any of our lessons useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So in our last two videos under the Conversational Twi module, the Common Twi expression series, we looked at 4 ways to ask someone of his or her name, and also 4 ways to tell your name in Twi. All right. So today we are looking at 3 ways to ask the same person or somebody else how he or she is faring. All right. And thinking about it, you should have asked this before the name, right? So we are looking at 3 ways, actually 4, because I'm going to add one sort of informal way of asking the same thing at the end. So we are looking at 4 ways to ask someone how he or she is faring. And it starts now. So the very first one that we have is wo ho te saying. 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 All right. So we have wo, which is the possessive adjective your. You remember, right? And then we have ho, body, self. Remember that one too from our previous lessons. Ho, body, self. And then we have te. Now, mind you, te can have several meanings, okay? So te can mean to hear. So I could say, Kofi frɛ me na me teye. Okay, so you see the te there is to hear, all right? Te can also mean to stay or to live at a particular location, all right? So I can say mete mampong to mean I live at Mampong, all right? Te can also mean to tear apart, all right? So I can say kofi te kratano, all right? But the te that we have here is neither of those, all right? So the te that you see here is the kind of te that you find in a word like tibia. Okay, and tibia is teeth. Okay, so we use te to ask or tell about people's state, right? Or the current state of an environment. So I would translate this te as the state of being verb is, all right? Or is like to convey the state of something or somebody, okay? And then finally, we have saying and no. This saying is not what from our previous lessons, all right? So you know that saying is what from our 2 lessons previously. But this saying that you see here is how. Okay, so now you know that saying can mean what and saying can mean how, all right? And don't worry, because the context will always give you the right option to choose. Okay, so in all, roughly, we have something like your body is how, or your body is like how. You get it? Cool. Wo ho te saying. Wo ho te saying. The second one on our list is te saying. Te saying. Te saying. Te saying. And this is kind of the short form of the first one, all right? So we have which is it, right? Here is it. And we'll find out why the here is it in our next grammar lesson, right? So do make a date. So we have as it. Then we have te again, the state seeking verb, is or is like. And then we have saying how. Okay, so we are asking it is how or it is like how. You know, so whatever the it is standing for, you know, your health, your state. Okay, so it is like how. All right, it is saying, ɛte sɛn. The next one is a statement question. All right. So in English, I could say, you came to Ghana. And that will be a statement, right? You came to Ghana, okay? And then I could say the same thing differently. You came to Ghana, and that changes into a question, right? So that is a statement question. So the next one that we have on the list is this kind of statement question, okay? Meaning you could say it in a way for it to be a statement, and you could also say it differently to be a question, okay? So that is wo ho ye. Wo ho ye. Wo ho ye. Wo ho ye. And pay attention to how I raise the last syllable, all right? So it's wo ho ye. Wo ho ye. Wo ho ye. Okay? And I'm raising the last syllable because generally that is how we ask questions in Twi. Okay, statement questions. So you just raise the last syllable in tone and you have a question. Okay? So wo ho ye. Wo ho ye. Wo ho ye. Okay? And if I were to bring the tone of the last syllable down, so wo ho ye. Wo ho ye. Wo ho ye. Then that will be a statement. All right? So we have wo ho ye. Wo ho ye. Wo ho ye. Question. Wo ho ye. Wo ho ye. Wo ho ye. Statement. Okay? So again, we have wo, possessive adjective your. We have ho, body, self. And then we have ye, which is good. Okay? So we are asking, your body good? Your body good? All right? So you notice that even in English, I'm raising the tone of the last syllable, right? Your body good. And then I could say, your body good. Your body good. And that will be a statement, right? Whatever that means. So we have wo ho ye. Wo ho ye. Wo ho ye. All right? Good. And the last one that I want to add is boko. 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 Again, I'm raising the tone of the last syllable. Boko. All right? Boko. Okay? And for this one, you could also put it as boko die. Boko die. Boko die. All right? So boko is calm. All right? Boko, calm. So in effect, you are asking, calm. All right? Calm. Okay? So boko, calm. Boko. All right? And if we put it as boko die, then that would be calm though. Right? Calm though. Are you okay? Calm though. Right? Boko die. So we have boko, and then we have boko die. All right? So those are our 4 ways to ask someone how he or she is faring. All right? So let's quickly go back and run over them one more time. Okay? So we started with wo ho te sɛn. Wo ho te sɛn. Wo ho te sɛn. Wo ho te sɛn. And then we had te sɛn. Te sɛn. Te sɛn. All right? And then we had wo ho ye. Wo ho ye. Wo ho ye. And finally we had boko. 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 Or boko die. Boko die. Boko die. All right? And this is where we end today's lesson. I hope you found it useful. If you did find it useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and then leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll see you next time.